episode of Inspiration Nation, we're going to be taking this beautiful 2017 SS Camaro and giving it a lot more attitude by installing a Borla ATAK axle back exhaust system. Now we'll be giving you the full install of this, to where to cut it, to installing the factory MPP valves. And we'll give you our full, unbiased opinion on it, because the only bribery they gave us is a hat and some stickers. So we'll make sure to give you everything, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and the amazing sound of this Borla exhaust system. So stay tuned. So the tools you'll need for this project: it's a cutoff wheel to ensure an initial cut, a good Sawzall with a nice blade. You're gonna need, if you run into the problem we had, you'll need a Dremel with a sanding bit to clean out the burrs. Safety glasses, you'll need a 15mm wrench, an 8mm wrench, 3/8 ratchet, a 15mm socket, impact gun, shop light, Sharpie, and a tape measure. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take some silicone spray. This one's just a WD, but if some kind of spray, and make sure you get all your little rubber grommets to make sure that it makes it easy to pop them out. The next thing you're going to do is measure 7 inches from your stock exhaust for you to make your cut. Try to keep your cut as straight as possible. We're going to use a cutoff wheel to start it, and then we're going to use a wide blade Sawzall blade to fillet them right off. You're going to want to take a 7mm and undo a couple of these small bolts, just so you're able to fit your hand up there to remove the pigtail off the MPP valve. Now you're going to take the 3 bolts out of the MPP valve, and they're 8mm, little short guys. And you're just going to pull it straight out. And when you install them on the next one, you've got to make sure that they're clocked exactly right. And just simply reinstall. Repeat the process for other side. So what we've noticed is there's a burr on the inside of the flare of the Borla ATAK exhaust. Then we're going to take the Dremel with a sanding bit on it, and we're going to just kind of clean up the burrs on the inside to make sure that the exhaust will flushly mount to the back of the bumper and slide all the way in. So it would probably been best to remove these 2 15mm bolts and pull this bracket off before, but we managed to get it off. Getting it back on, another story. Pull it off, install it right back there. Don't lose your bolts. And install your rubber grommets back in place. Then you can put those 2 15mm bolts back on your bracket up here. I'll definitely give it that. It looks freaking cool. Once you get it fitted where you know it's going to sit where you need it, you can start installing all your hardware. Don't forget to plug in your MPP valve pigtails. On the right side, you may want to cut off just a little bit more than 7 inches. Our exhaust on that side was just a little bit longer. And to get them even, we had to take about 8 to 8.5 just to be safe, so they'll both set flush.